Who is it? Oh, it's only you, Nats. Come on in. So you guys might have known from our last video that we're in Calgary. So we're staying in this hotel. The cost is $400 per night. Don't worry, it's not we pay for it, right? So it's a suite. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of what this hotel room or suite is looking like, right? So as you enter through the door, you have this kitchenette, which, to be frank, I think it's okay, right? You have a tabletop, 2-burner. So we're gonna be here for a little while, so we're gonna be able to cook. You have a dishwasher. Oh, she's so excited. We have a dishwasher right here. We have a sink, which is always a luxury, having a sink, and we have a fridge, a full fridge, not the mini fridge that we're used to in our usual hotel room. You have this almost counter stuff that you have 2 chairs that we can have dinner and stuff like that. Let's see if they give us any cutlery. Okay, yeah. So we do have a few plates and a few glasses. And what's underneath here? Just dishwashing liquid. Don't touch it, Malika. And up here, nothing. Let's see these drawers, guys. There must be a 2-part though. Let's see. Oh, you have knife and stuff like that. Down here you have 2 pots. Pretty precise, right? Okay, let's flip the camera around. Okay, this is our living room for the time being. You have a nice, I think that looks like a 60-inch TV. Makes no sense if it doesn't have Netflix or YouTube or anything like that, because who watch cable anyway? You have a couch, and you have a love seat, and you have 2 ottomans. And you have this desk right here that we can do some work as well. So far, from being really honest, I don't see why this hotel costs so much. I'm not gonna call the name of the hotel though. Let's go and look in the room. Okay. So this is a king-size bed. All the way I go pack up on it, right? So they didn't have a double bed suite, so we elected for the king-size suite. So we'll make it work. I think the room is nicer than the living room, if I'm being honest, just from an optics perspective. You also have a TV as well in the room. So 2 TVs here, and you have this nice thing right here. Typically, this is what our hotel room would look like. Just this part right here, as well as the bathroom. So I guess we pay the premium for the suite part of it, right? These 2 are so excited, man. Malia, where are you? Where are you?
There we are.
There we are. Let's go and look in the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay. So you have, what's this, a closet?
Then we have the closet.
You have a closet with an iron and an ironing board. Space-wise, space-wise, I think it's okay. You have this beautiful mirror right here. That's me. Hi guys.
Daddy, can I wash my hands?
And I always find this fascinating. Nats, why can't you do this at home?
I can.
Can I wash my hands?
It don't make sense because by the time I make it, you
Can I wash
I'll do
my
what?
hands?
do that.
I'll do it.
Exactly.
This sperm.
Daddy, can I wash my hands?
You still wash your hands, okay? She is so excited. Then you have this basin, this face basin or faucet.
And the toilet.
Have some body lotion. The
can't
body
move
lotion
it,
is
you
passed
can't move
into the ground. I think right here is pretty nice, and we'll all off on going on that side because Malia decided that she wanted to pee.
Cold bunny.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Okay, while Malia is washing her hands, let's take a second to look in the bathroom. So as not noticed, they changed the light right here. This is a little bit more modern than the other ones.
Brighter.
It's brighter, that's what I meant, yeah. And so you have this is a shower, you have a little bath right here. Get your usuals. Right here you have the toilet. And this is what it looks like from outside. And then this is what it looks like from that side. Now guys, let me know if you guys think this is worth the price.
No.
You don't think it's worth the price?
No.
Malia, do you like it? Okay. For Malia and Malika, as you guys see, Malika is enjoying herself. So they are just fascinated every time we go to a hotel or outside of town. It's like they're in their element, right? I don't know, it's okay. We're gonna be here for a little while. So we didn't want to just be enclosed in a small room. At least we feel like we have more space, right? So that's good. Okay guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and see you guys in the next video.